myself Anirudh Dobial. Student, today we are doing chapter number 10, circles. Till chapter number 8 we have done. Chapter number 9 is deleted. So today we are doing chapter number 10. It is circle. So student, you should know what is a circle. The collection of all the points in a plane which are equidistant at a fixed distance from a fixed point in the plane is called circle. Student, if you have a point fixed here and all the points from this their path, all the points fixed from a fixed point is called circle. If you are joining these all points, so circle will draw, and these all points are equidistant from this center O. It means if you are taking this distance, OA is equal to OB is equal to OC, and how many terms, whatever point you are taking in its circumference, these distances will be equal. Like you can write OA is equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to OD. These are the point, all of you, and this fixed distance is called radius. This is radius, all of you, this is radius. Now radius you know from your previous classes. Now student, a circle have three parts. Interior, this is interior part, interior. This is exterior, outer part is exterior part, and this is circumference. So these are the three parts of circle: interior, exterior, and circle itself, it is circumference. Now we have a new term here, chord. What is a chord? So chord is always a line which is not going from a center, but it is not, this is a chord, and you can say diameter is the longest chord. All of you, these you can draw so many chords there. So this is chord, CHORD, chord. This is chord. Now one more thing we have, arc. What is the arc? What is the arc of a circle? Whenever we drawing a circle, so it will start like this. So circle is always drawing with arcs. Many arcs are there in this. So we are taking from here to here this part. So this is a arc AB. Arc is generally denoted by this arc AB. It is arc, or you can write arc AB. So this is arc, all of you. Now we have measure segment. What is the segment? When we are cutting any circle in this way, like we are, so this is segment, and this is one segment. So this is minor segment. Minors mean chota, minor segment, and this is major segment, major segment, minor segment, major segment. Yes. Now one more thing we have, sector. What are sector? All of you, what are sector? Sector, major sector and minor sector. If we are cutting any circle like this, where how you are cutting your cake in your birthday, so that is a sector, and because this sector is minor, so it is minor sector, and this big one is major sector, So minor sector and major sector we understand. Now student, I am taking its first exercise. It is very easy based on these derivation I just explained. 10.1 question number 1 we have, fill in the blank. The center of a circle lie in dash of circle, exterior or interior. So you all knows that center is always interior of the circle. So interior is the answer of this. Second part we have, this is first part, this is second. Now a point whose distance from the center of circle is greater than its radius lie dash of the circle, and options are interior, exterior. So the point which is greater than circle, it will be exterior to a circle. So exterior will be the answer, exterior. So the other parts is of the same type, you try, and otherwise we will discuss in our live class. Now Question number 2, write true and false. Line segment joining the center to any point of circle is called radius. Yeah, it is true. It is absolutely true. If a line is going from this to this, so this is a radius. This is a radius. This is the first part. This is a radius. Okay, so all the questions, two questions in this exercise, and all are based on the derivation I told you, right? So try this. Tomorrow in our live lecture we will discuss it. Thank you very much.